Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Coax Cable Repair Kit is probably one of the most useful tools for home electronics enthusiasts and professionals alike, enabling quick fixes for damaged coaxial cables, restoring reliable signal transmission for your TVs, internet, and other devices, saving you money and time by avoiding costly professional repairs or replacements, and empowering you to troubleshoot and maintain your home entertainment and communication systems effectively, ensuring uninterrupted service and crystal clear signals. Number 5. 3-in-1 Coax Cable Crimper Kit. It creates a reliable connection for RG59 and RG6 cables, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. This makes it ideal for all your coaxial cable installation and repair needs. The cable stripper is designed for RG59, RG6, RG11, and RG7 cables. Its adjustable dual blades ensure quick and efficient stripping without damaging the inner wires. This 3-in-1 kit includes a crimping tool, an adjustable stripper, and 20 F-type RG6 connectors. Everything you need for cable repairs and installations is right here. It's engineered to high standards with a precise crimping die. This ensures accurate crimping every time without damaging the F connectors. It's designed for comfortable use, even for beginners. Its compact size makes it easy to store and transport, perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. From satellite TV and CCTV to home theater and network cabling, it handles various applications. It's the versatile solution for all your coaxial cable needs. What we like. This kit ensures a reliable connection for indoor or outdoor use. If you need a comprehensive solution for various applications, this is the one for you. It's perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who value versatility and ease of use. What people say. The crimper itself is sturdy and easy to use, making it a breeze to connect RG59, RG6, and other common coaxial cables. The included wire stripper is adjustable, ensuring clean cuts for various cable sizes. The F-type connectors are well made and provide a secure connection. The crimped connector fit tightly on the coax cable and, when connected to the TV, worked perfectly. The process to attach the connector to the cable is quite simple, and with the included stripper and connectors, took only a minute. The crimper seems very well built. After adjusting both blades a couple of turns tighter, I had the stripper working well on this cable. I also tested it on a piece of RG6 cable, and it worked perfectly because the outer jacket was looser. I also used a toothbrush to brush the braided shield away from the center conductor, and that worked great. Number 4. KOTTO Coax Crimper Kit. This kit is your all-in-one solution for professional coaxial cable installations. It's designed for ease of use and long-lasting performance. It features a strong, adjustable crimping tool that handles various connector types and cable sizes. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use. Crimping coaxial cables has never been easier. Its simple design and thumb screw adjustment allow for quick and precise crimps every time. The included stripper features an adjustable blade to prevent damage to the cable shielding and conductors. Get clean, consistent stripping every time. The kit comes with 20 premium F-type compression connectors, providing reliable, corrosion-resistant connections. These are perfect for a variety of applications. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Take it with you to any job site. Everything you need is included: crimper, stripper, connectors, and a convenient storage bag. Get started on your next project today. What we like. It's a durable crimping tool that's simple to use. If you prioritize ease of use and high-quality connectors, this kit is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want a straightforward and efficient solution. What people say. The contractor who built my house never cut or installed the ends on my coax runs. This kit worked great to do it myself. This is a nice set. The only problem was that it didn't come with any instructions, but there's a ton of videos online showing how to use it. I still gave it a 5 because I've used it for a few different cables and it just works so easy. Great value and quality for coaxial work. Number 3. Coax Cable Crimper Tool Kit. Let's take a look at this handy Coax Cable Crimper Kit. It includes a crimper, wire stripper, and 10 RG6F connectors, everything you need for a professional connection. This crimper is designed for standard RG6 and RG59F connectors. It's important to note that it won't work with other connector types, like RCA or BNC. The included RG6F connectors are perfect for double-shielded RG6 coax cable for indoor use. They ensure a secure and professional connection. After stripping the cable, make sure the shielding is turned back. Then, fully seat the cable into the connector before crimping for a tight fit. Use the wire stripper to adjust the blade depth, firmly hold the cable, and rotate 3 times. Remove excess material, then turn back the shielding before connecting. With the cable properly prepared and seated, you're ready to crimp and create a reliable connection. Enjoy your new setup. What we like. This crimper is sturdy and reliable for standard RG6 connectors. If you're on a budget and primarily work with RG6 cables, this is a practical option. It's suitable for basic coaxial cable installations and repairs. What people say. Perfect for repairs or installs of cables. It's easy to use, the ends are easy to install, and the finished look is as if somebody that knew what the heck they were doing did it. It has everything you need to replace the ends of your coax. It was easy peasy to use, and I'm super pleased with it. And my internet actually works even though I installed the ends. Number 2. Klein Tools VDV 026-211 Coax Kit. This kit has everything you need to install coaxial cables. It's made in the USA and includes all the essential tools for a professional finish. This convenient set contains a cable cutter, stripper, crimper, and connectors. Everything is neatly stored in a handy zipper pouch for easy transport and organization. The included polyester zipper bag keeps all the components together and organized. It's the perfect size for easy storage and transport. It features precision shear-type blades for clean cuts and comfortable, curved handles for ease of use. This tool is made in the USA for superior quality. The coaxial cable stripper provides precise and accurate stripping with its durable, preset blades. It's a 2-level, 1-step process for efficiency. This crimper makes connecting F connectors to coaxial cables quick and easy. The fixed plunger allows for simple insertion and removal. 6 universal RG66QF compression connectors are included, ensuring compatibility with various coaxial cables. These provide reliable connections every time. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for coax cable installation and is conveniently stored. If you value organization and a complete set of tools, this is perfect. It's ideal for professionals who need a well-organized and comprehensive solution. What people say. This made making the crimps very easy. Work great as expected. After watching the brief, 2-minute, how-to video, Google Klein Tools how to strip and terminate coaxial cable, I made consistently reliable connections in seconds. I went from never terminating coax cable to cutting a cable, stripping the insulator, and crimping a new connector in under 30 seconds. It's a really fantastic bit of kit. Number 1. Coax Cable Crimper Kit. This kit makes connecting coaxial cables quick and easy. It's perfect for home installations or professional use. It crimps various coaxial cable types, including RG6, RG59, and RG11. The adjustable design ensures a secure connection every time. The built-in stripper easily removes insulation without damaging the inner conductors. Its simple design makes it easy to use. This tool features multiple blades for various cable types and sizes. It efficiently cuts and strips cables for a clean connection. The kit includes 20 male and 10 female-to-female RG6 connectors. You'll have everything you need to complete your project. It's lightweight and easy to carry, ideal for on-site installations. Take it anywhere for convenient cable connections. What we like. This kit offers a strong crimping tool and is easy to use. If you need a versatile solution with both male and female connectors, this kit is for you. It's perfect for various applications and cable configurations. What people say. The tools in the kit worked very well in cutting, splicing, and crimping 2 coaxial cables together for an attic TV antenna. Nice to make custom length cables. The tool works as advertised. It's solid and does its job well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.